Good morning. Have a wonderful and fruitful day. Let us thank the Lord for He is good and His love endures forever. Let me share to you today the words of wisdom. This is a godly wisdom from the book of Proverbs. Because I believe with all my heart that the Proverbs a day keeps the fools away. So listen and learn this powerful principle for our lives. It says in Proverbs chapter 16 verse 7, when people's lives please the Lord, even their enemies is at peace with them. So my friends, learn the value of pleasing the Lord in our lives, in our daily walk here on earth. So, what is your goal in life? It should be to please the Lord. Why? Because you can have a peaceful, harmonious life even with your enemies. So how can you please the Lord? The Bible declares, without faith, it is impossible to please God. So we need to walk in faith. Believe God and trust Him that He will help you how to please Him in your relationship with Him. So my friend, that is a reminder to everyone. So I declare shalom, shalom, peace and grace be multiplied to everybody. God bless you more.